Okay, here we are back the next morning. This is what we have. Let's take a look. So this did the overnight proofing in the refrigerator. Remember when I mentioned that it's going to take a nice shape? Well, here we go. Let's see what we got. Take it out of the bag. Ah, look at that. How's that look? Now, we take a piece of parchment paper, place it on top. Take my cutting board, place it on top, flip it over, and there you go. Isn't that pretty? Now, I take a razor blade, score it down the middle. A nice score, see? There you go. We'll do another one here and another one here. Now, it's ready to be placed into the oven. To place it in the oven, here's what we're gonna do. Set it aside. Now, I should mention, I have the oven preheated at 450. Try to do it for at least 30 minutes. Some people say an hour. I say at least 30 minutes, preheated at 450. I take out my pan. That's the bottom of the pan. I'm going to place my bread in the pan. Here's the secret ingredient, folks. I have ice cubes. I place it in the pan underneath our parchment paper. What that does is when it hits the pan, it creates the steam. You need the steam to get this thing going. So we'll put just a few ice cubes. All right. Now, I take my cover it up, put it in the oven. And set a timer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes at 450. Now you notice that pan, you could use a Dutch oven. People use anything that's big enough to fit the loaf in and cover it and put the ice cubes. You need the ice cubes for some steam. Okay, let's come back in 30 minutes and see what we have.